Hey guys, spring update. Plenty of lettuce. The plantain trees coming back. These are kale. I let them blossom because I want the seeds. Over here is the pomegranate. Over here we call this nectarines. The persimmon starting to spring back up.
See you later.
Alright. Peach. I have a lot of blossoms. I just hope we don't get another cold spell and it come and kill them like it did last year. This is raspberry. I killed the one that was in the back, but I'm glad I had planted some over here. I'm gonna let it go up the peach tree. This is the plum. Had a lot of blossoms on it. I hope it takes. Pear. Pear always been a late blossom type fruit. Mint. Plenty of mint coming back. Another pear. Over here, cherry tree. I see some nice blossoms on them. Like I said, I hope we don't get another cold spell, because if we do, it'll kill the blossoms.